Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome in today's video. Finally I got access to FX Scalping Autobot. This is an expert advisor. I told you last week about it. So in today's video I will show you how to download and install the indicator on your MT4 instance, MT4 platform. So if you want to see what's all about, stay here until the end of this video. And of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. All right. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone. I hope you are all good today. In this video, I will show you how to install FX Scalping Autobot, which is an EA expert advisor for MT4 platform. I told you about this FX Scalping Autobot Autotrader last week. I've made the presentation video. You can watch it somewhere here. And in today's video, I will show you how to download and install this expert advisor. What's all about this one? I will make a short review about it for those of you who didn't saw my last video about it. This is an expert advisor and this is the most advanced and trusted auto trader for forex traders. A few of friends of mine are using it and they told me about it, so I decided to purchase it. This is a paid expert advisor. If you want to try it, I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to be easier to access their official website. I'll show you in a minute how much is this expert advisor. And for 1 second, let me show you what's all about. This FX Scalping Autobot was created based on intelligent algorithm that identifies parameters, similar movements, effective market conditions, and weak spots of the assets to enter at the right time. FX Scalping Autobot will read the market's last hours and predict future movement in order to win trades out of those predictions. Users don't have to do anything besides the installation, which is taught by an expert, and the rest will be done by the robot. All right, so in a nutshell, it is an expert advisor. So let's go ahead and I will go. This is their official website. You can watch here, you can see everything here, and these are the plans, the purchase plans. You can buy 6 month a plan of $150 and advanced security plan. This is a lifetime plan and you'll pay $300. That depends, of course. This one is better, $300 for a lifetime. So if you don't want to hurry up, but I don't know, maybe the price will go up, you never know. You can watch my videos because I will make some live videos about this trading robot results. All right, so let's go ahead and I will download and also I will show you how to install FX Scalping Autobot on your MT4 platform. So let's go ahead and I will go to my account, inside my account, because I already purchased it, and trading area for members. Let's go here, and over here, as you can see, this how looks inside, and here you can download the app and also you can download MT4 platform if you don't have one, but I will use it on my Eagle FX MT4 platform, as you can see it here. So let's go ahead. From here, just click here and you will download the app, but I already have it. And let's go to my FX Scalping Autobot app, and you will see an WinRAR program. You will need the WinRAR in order to unarchive the program, to unarchive the expert advisor. And let me go ahead and I will put the pen here for you to be easier. So this is the program WinRAR. Yes, this is a WinRAR zip file, and in order to unarchive the file you will need a WinRAR program. You can Google it on Google, of course. I will click extract here. After you have WinRAR installed, you'll see this extract here button. You click on it and it will extract the file over here. And as you can see, we have MQL source file and also the DLL file, DLL application. And the only thing that you have to do is to click on copy here where you save it on your computer. Go to your MT4 platform, click on file, open data folder, go to MQL4 here, go to experts, then open experts and paste that file here, FX Scalping Autobot, and close this one. The next thing, go again to your file on your computer and copy the DLL file. Yes, as you can see, this one DLL, and go again to your MT4 platform, go to file, open data folder again, then go to MQL file, and this time you need to go to libraries and paste that DLL file here. Open data FX Scalping Autobot DLL file, so into MQL4 and then libraries. Yes, libraries folder. Close this one, go here to your navigator and refresh it, and you will need to see now the FX Scalping Autobot file here, and here it is, FX Scalping Autobot V12, and all you have to do is drag and drop here the indicator and allow DLL imports. Okay, and that's it. FX Scalping Autobot, please wait. You will need to see this smiley face here in the corner, and you'll need to authenticate your license. And here you need, yes, they will send you a license number, and you have to put here the product license, and that's it. Validate GBP USD, and we have this is an older IMS Pro, and we have some AUD. As you can see here on AUD USD, we have this up signal here. This will be an up trade, but now we have FX Scalping Autobot. So this one, and that's it, or this is all you have to do in order to install FX Scalping Autobot. You can use it on any time frame. I'll use it on M15, on 15 minutes time frame. Let's put it here on US dollar, Canadian dollar. FX Scalping Autobot, drag and drop, allow just be sure that here on the common tab, allow DLL imports and allow import external experts, it will be checked, and click on OK. Let's see if it's asking again. No, it's not asking again. So if once you put the license number, then it's okay, it will not ask it again for it. FX, okay, let's put it here on let's put it on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, FX Scalping Autobot, okay, US dollar, Swiss franc. Let's drag and drop it here. Maybe we will see a trade also. It's a little bit late, but you never know. US dollar, Japanese yen, drag and drop here. Okay. Euro AUD, drag and drop it here. Okay. Australian dollar, Swiss franc, drag and drop it here. US dollar, Japanese yen, drag and drop it here. All right. Euro USD, drag and drop it here. All right. GBP USD, drag and drop it here. Okay. US dollar, Canadian dollar, drag and drop it here. Okay. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Oh, what is this? Put it on. Okay. FX Scalping Autobot, drag and drop it here. And let's put it also on US 30 to see how it's working on it. So as you can see, now we have 4,000 Let me see. I will not trade on this one. So we have 4,174.30 into my account. So let's see what will happen. I will be back in tomorrow or maybe after 2 days to see what was happening on all of these assets, all of these currency pairs that I've installed the robot FX Scalping Autobot. Alright, so that's the video for today on how to install FX Scalping Autobot Autotrader. If you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area. If you like the video, give me a like and also share this video to your friends. I'll put a link below this video for FX Scalping Autobot if you want to try it. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.